From a child star to a versatile actor, breaking boundaries, Daniel Radcliffe's journey is nothing short of extraordinary. Stay tuned to discover the surprising facets of his life that goes beyond the world of magic. Daniel Radcliffe was born on 23rd July 1989 in Fulham, London, to literary agent Alan Radcliffe and casting agent Marcia Gresham. His early exposure to the arts sparked his interest in acting, and at the age of 11, Radcliffe skyrocketed to global fame with the role of Harry Potter in the film adaptation of J.K. Rowling's Harry Potter series. Spanning a decade from 2001 to 2011, Radcliffe became one of the most recognized faces in the film industry, growing up alongside his character across 8 films. Following his Harry Potter success, Radcliffe continuously chose diverse roles, starring in films like The Woman in Black, Swiss Army Man, and Now You See Me. His theatrical performance, including the controversial Equus and the comedy How to Succeed in Business Without Really Trying, showcased his range as an actor. Radcliffe continues to push boundaries, demonstrating that he is more than just the boy who lived. Despite his fame, Daniel Radcliffe remained grounded. He has been open about his struggle with fame, particularly his battle with the alcohol during his teen and early 20s. Radcliffe has created his decision to quit drinking in 2010 as pivotal to mental health and growth as a person. He has been in a long-term relationship with actress Erin Drake, whom he met in 2012 while filming Kill Your Darling. The couple keeps their relationship private, occasionally making public appearances together. Radcliffe also speaks openly about his love for literature, a passion he inherited from his parents, and his support for various charities including the Trevor Project and Demelza Hospice Care for Children. Daniel Radcliffe prefers a low-key lifestyle, far removal from the glitz of Hollywood. Unlike many stars, he avoids social media to maintain his privacy. Radcliffe's London-based life is focused on self-growth, personal projects, and giving back to cause he believes in. Fitness plays a key role in his life, with Radcliffe emphasizing balanced exercise rather than intense regimen. He enjoys reading and watching films, often immersing himself in indie cinema and literature. A self-professed nerd, Radcliffe is passionate about video games, often spending his downtime indulging in gaming sessions. Daniel Radcliffe stands at 5 feet 5 inches tall and weight is approximately 53 kg. He is 35 years old as of 2024. His estimated net worth is 110 million USD, primarily accumulated from his roles in the Harry Potter franchise and various other films and theater projects. Curious to learn how Daniel Radcliffe transformed from Harry Potter to one of the Hollywood's most versatile actors? Hit the like button, subscribe, and let us take you deeper into the magic of his real life journey. If you like to read more about your favorite star, do visit our website saidcocoblog.com.